Racing Chance is started with who else? Break quickly at the start. Ain't Misbehaving, rushing up now on the outside is Madam Dixie. Then comes Lasting Rose, Wildstorm. Also moving up now is Port Alamo. Advance Notice comes next. Running by the release lap of Luxury. Then next online is Silver Champ. Joy. While Racing to Glory is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the deck, we have Madam Dixie by about 4 lengths. Lasting Rose in second. Wildstorm moving up now at the outside is Port Alamo. Advance Notice is running by the rail. Then comes lap of Luxury. Silver Champ. Who else comes next? Ain't Misbehaving. Joy. While Racing to Glory is still racing in 11th. Another 4th turn. We have Madam Dixie by about 3 lengths. Trying to get closer in second is Advance Notice. Then comes lap of Luxury. Silver Champ, Port Alamo. Who else? Lasting Rose, Wildstorm, Ain't Misbehaving. Joy. While Racing to Glory is still racing in 11th as they swing for home. Madam Dixie by only a length and a half. Moving up now the outside is Advance Notice. Silver Champ also rushing up. We have Advance Notice, Silver Champ, and finally Advance Notice, Silver Champ, Madam Dixie, lap of Luxury. Who else? Racing to Glory, Joy, Ain't Misbehaving, Port Alamo, Lasting Rose, and Wildstorm.